lights, don't lift weights, but I exercise the shit out of my first right. Refuse to make a wrong turn on this road that I paved. I just let my teeth show and walk the same way. This song is called Same Way. It's about being an individual. I feel like we have a lot of those people in this room tonight. Am I right? We walk the same way. Me and you, we walk the same way. Yeah, me and you, we walk the same way. I swear, me and you, we walk the... Let me make my point clear. Yeah, I only write what I feel. Might not say what you want to hear, but at least I'm real. Hungry, but won't eat if I didn't make the meal. And that's a trade I won't trade for. Go ahead and write your raps about your money, clothes, and shoes. You pay for that talk, I just pay my dues. You sound just like them, I refuse to. Lesson one is understand before you move to number 2. Yeah, just help me missing in the picture. Always on point with that connected on scripture. Sorry that you called, I'm sorry that I missed it. And if I want you bad enough, I guarantee the application. Well, I apologize for ego tripping, man. Got so many bright ideas, my forehead's got a suntan. I double lock the laces, occupy new spaces in front of every face. I walk the same. My name is My Son. My name, My Son, stands for Movement on Dreams, Stand Under None. In this entire world, I have 0 fans. Everybody in this room is a friend of mine. Is that correct?